Hi, welcome to this video. So in this video we're going to see detailed analysis of some swing trading stocks that you can trade next week. Before getting into the stock list, Monday I have shared a video YouTube short on Coforge. I have given the entry point, stop loss and targets. So let's see what happened. So this is the 1 hour chart, and this is the all-time high that previously Coforge has reached, and within the 1 hour time frame you can see we have three supports around here, so which makes it's a triple bottom, and we have a gap up here, and there is this gap, and we have 1, 2 and 3 resistance zones. So this is the zone I have posted, and you can see this is the pattern it is forming for the past 10 days, and I have given the entry like if you are entering the stock, you should enter after the retest, and I have given that as well in the video, and I have given the stop loss as this level. The target should be the previous zone, and exactly the same thing happened. Even though I had this stock in my watch list, I didn't trade because I allocated that capital in a different trade, so I didn't get the opportunity to trade. But this is an excellent trade because it has given a RR of 2.6, and still the stock looks good. So if you don't want to miss these kind of opportunities, then please consider subscribing to our channel and hit that like button, because that motivates me to do more videos like this. The first stock is UPL. After the COVID crash, it has given nice rally, and there's this consolidation and nice rally, and now it is in the consolidation. If you see this, this is the flag pattern, you might know, and this is the pattern that UPL is forming for the past from the June, right? So for the 6 months it is forming this pattern. Usually after a certain rally, usually after a very good rally, this kind of consolidation will happen, because from 400 it reached 800, nearly 110% return. So this is an excellent opportunity, because if there is a breakout, then we may expect another good move from this stock. Right now it is in a consolidation. If you go to the 1 hour time frame, for the past 3 days it is being in a consolidation. So it is a very good pattern, because this consolidation really matters before breakout, because if there is a consolidation right before the breakout, then the breakout is much more powerful, and it won't be any false breakout or something, because the probability is high. And let's see what is the entry and what will be our stop loss and target. So we should enter after the daily close above this trend line. Let's assume this is your entry point, and you should put your stop loss below this zone, that is this one, and your target should be the previous high, which is this one. So here you can see 1, 2 resistances, then the stock might go to this point. So with this we are having a risk to reward of 1:2. If you are entering this trade, you can book your partial profit here and hold on to that and wait. If this level gets broken, if this zone gets broken, then the target might be then you can upgrade your target to somewhere else. You can hold on to the stock till you see any kind of reversal. This kind of pattern gives more returns than we expect, because this is the rally, and this is the flag pattern, and we might see another rally from here. We don't know the exact target, but you can hold on to this trade. Let me put an alert here. So okay, and the next stock is Kiri Industries. This is in a great consolidation. If you see from November 2017, this is respecting this zone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reversals from this zone, and at the bottom also you can see a very good support around this zone. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the COVID crash, and after the recovery it has taken 3 supports. So let's see the pattern. Here you can see this is a kind of triangle pattern, you can say. So it has taken 2 supports, 1, 2, 3 supports at the bottom, and it has taken 3 reversals from the resistance. So right now it is in consolidation, so it is respecting the zone. If you go to the hourly time frame, so there is this trend line, and it has taken reversal from the resistance, and it went again, and it has taken another pullback. So in the hourly time frame, it is respecting this trend line as well. 1 2 3 4 supports, and at the top we have this one. So you may enter after daily close above this zone, because that really matters. If there is a daily closing above 500, that is this zone, then you may enter after that. Don't enter whenever there is a breakout, because there may be a false breakout as well. You should wait for the days, and you can put your stop loss below this zone, and you can set your first target to this zone, which gives your RR of 1:3. And if this zone gets broken, then you can put your second target as this one, which gives you a RR of 6.3. And there is one more possibility that since this zone has a very good support at the bottom, this may come back like this, and it may take reversal from this zone, and that would be a very great opportunity than this, because if that is the case, then you should wait for that. And if there is any possible reversals from here, then you can enter here, putting your stop loss below this, and you can put your target here. But this may take some long time, like 4 or 5 months like that, but that's a great one. And you have one more possibility of breaking out from this zone, because if you see in the weekly time frame, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 reversals. So mostly after these kind of reversals, there would be a very good breakout, and if this zone gets broken, then the target would be very high. A minimum target should be like, so minimum target of 800 something, and that's it. And even it may go above that as well. So the next one is Astral. So after the COVID crash, it is doing exceptionally well, and it went up. This consolidation, it went up, and currently it is in a consolidation. So the stock has given 4x returns from the COVID crash. If you see the daily time frame, there is this kind of flag pattern, you may see. So this is the pattern, and it will be very clear in the 1 hour time frame. So yeah, you can see 1 2 3 4 5, currently 6. So 6 reversals, the resistance trend line, and at the bottom it has taken 1 2 3 supports. So right now it is in a consolidation in the 1 hour time frame, and it is a very good indication of that there may be a breakout, because if there is a reversal from this one, that would have happened like this, because here you can see it went up and it rejected, and it got down. So went up, it rejected. So this kind of consolidation is a very good indication that there may be a breakout. So in 1 hour time frame, if there is a strong close above this zone, then you may consider entering, or you may even wait for this level to get broken, and you may enter above this, because that gives you a better opportunity, and you can put your stop loss below this zone. And the minimum target that you can expect is the previous high, which is this one. So that gives you 1:1.5, you may say, because that's this week's. So minimum target of 1:1.5, you can set your first target to this one, and you may, since this is a flag pattern, you can expect much more return from this stock, and you can even expect 1:3 as well. And you can hold on to the stock till you see any kind of reversal, because you can see the stock is trending right from the COVID crash. There is no stop. It went up, consolidation, went up, consolidation, and went up, it is in consolidation. So if that is a very good move from this level, then you can consider holding the stock, and you can hold on to the stock till you see any possible reversals. So these are the stocks, and I will surely take positions if I see any strong breakouts, and I will update you if I have taken any trades. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and hit the like button. That motivates me to do more videos like this. And if you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to answer that. Thanks for